But yeah, ducks are having a feed on the side of my boat. Smorgasbord. Love it. One's on watch, just literally watching me talking, and the other two are hoofing into fresh mussels. Fresh Lindisfarne Bay mussels. Go on, mate, you can have some. I'm not going to hurt you. Hook in, bro. Rest of your clan, huh? There you go. Wicked. I don't have to touch these because these guys will take them off for me. Yeah, go further back, mate. I knocked a few off the back just before. That's the coolest thing I've seen. Ducks having a feed off my boat. It's interesting how they're doing it. I don't really want to zoom in because it'll go to digital zoom and look shitty. That's my cleaning crew. Okay, he's got one. Go for it, mate. He's got it. You've got it, buddy. He dropped it. He dropped it. Dope. They must have been at this for a fair while because that actually front port side here is actually getting cleaned. I'm impressed. Go you ducks. Bottom out, look at the rest of this. Look at this. This is a winter's afternoon in my backyard. Typical Tasmanian, southern Tasmanian bloody winter's afternoon. Don't you just love it? There's a Sydney to Hobart yacht down there, forking the road. I think they've actually won it. Man, took the anchor out, got rid of that. Now started pulling out the lead rope, anchor rope, which is too big anyway. Anyway, ciao for now.